Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Tally forms and automate survey responses with AI, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Tally forms, start by visiting the Tally website. Log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Form Templates section. Browse through the available templates or create a new form from scratch. Select the form you'd like to download. Look for the download option, typically available in the form settings. Click on the download button and choose your preferred file format. The form will be saved to your device. Next, to automate survey responses with AI, sign up for an account on the selected AI platform. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and features. Connect your Tally form to the AI platform, following the integration instructions. Set up your automated response settings according to your survey needs. Configure the AI to process incoming responses from the Tally form. Test the automation by submitting a few sample responses. Monitor the AI's performance to ensure it accurately processes the data. Make adjustments as needed to optimize response accuracy. Ensure that you regularly review the responses gathered from the Tally form. Use the insights provided by the AI to enhance your surveys and gather better data. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Tally forms and automated survey responses with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.